If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha, our keto friends. We are so excited to be here because we are going to make the best chicken wings. Now, if it is too hot by you, my friend Halle Berry said it is really hot in California right now. That is why I love my air fryer, because it does not heat up the kitchen. It heats up. The preheating time is in no time, and I have a fantastic book with delicious recipes like these chicken wings in it called Keto Air Fryer, which you're gonna love. But we got our chicken wings from, I believe, US Wellness Meats, and what we're going to do is this is such an easy recipe. I like to line my thing with parchment paper because it makes cleanup so much easier. So we're gonna open this up, and Kai, do you love LMNT?
Yeah.
You love LMNT, and we are actually going to do a recipe with LMNT because they came out with some new flavors. What's your favorite flavor? The raspberry?
No, orange.
Orange, you love the orange flavor. And LMNT is an electrolyte mix that helps with energy because like kids do Gatorade all the time, and this is basically Gatorade without the sugar. But they came out with a new one called mango chili. They came out with chocolate too. Your dad really likes the chocolate one. And we're using this to season our chicken wings because it's so good. Could you open up a packet of that? And what you're going to do is you're going to turn your air fryer. The trick to making the best chicken wings in the air fryer is you do them for about 20, oh wait, I'm going to put them on here. I can move this over here. You want to make sure that sprinkle it all real high, like Gordon Ramsay. You want to cook them at 375 for 25 minutes, and then you crank it up. I'm going to help you out with that, my friends. I'm going to, I just inhaled it. I'm going to turn the air fryer up at the end for about 8 minutes. Oh, Guy. Okay, so let me do this. Thank you. Air frying. We're gonna do it at 375 for 25 minutes, and then at the end you crank it up to 400 degrees. Now we need to spread it all out. Oh, it smells delicious. It gives it that mango flavor without the sugar, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna use another packet. And it has plenty of salt in it, so you don't need, nope, mommy's turn. Mommy's turn. I'm gonna flip these over and do the other side.
Mom, it's gonna do the same
I need
thing.
so for like 6 or 7 minutes, you're gonna do it at 400. And then you get that nice crispy skin, but it's like really tender on the inside because you kind of slow cooked them. And then we have some delicious sauces. So let me get this in here. We want it all over the place.
It's gonna be the same thing.
These are gonna be delicious, my friend. Well, I didn't like poof it like you, man. So let's put these skin side up. And now we put it right into the air fryer. And what's up, man? Oh, you know what's really good with these? Primal Kitchen makes the best sauces that don't have any sugar and they don't have any vegetable oils. Most salad dressings that you get at the store have really harmful vegetable oils, and vegetable oils are more harmful than sugar. Can you believe that?
No.
They are. They're really bad for heart disease. And they have ranch, which I love on my wings, but on these chili mango wings, this cilantro lime is delicious too. So we'll catch you back in a little bit. Yeah. Aloha, everybody. Our chicken wings are done, and it smells delicious. It smells like exotic mango flavor. You know why I love this recipe so much, Guy?
Why?
Because I didn't have to go to the store for anything. The chicken wings were mailed to me, the LMNT was mailed to me, the Primal Kitchen was mailed to me. 3 ingredients, didn't have to go to the store. I love it, love it, love it. So I'm gonna take these out, and look at these perfect chicken wings. Look at them, delicious.
Yeah.
And now all I have to do is basically open up a jar of Primal. What flavor you want? Ranch? I know you love your ranch dressing. Look at these.
Yeah.
Perfectly crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. The cilantro lime, he wants cilantro lime with his. But anyway, easy chicken wings. Check it out. And remember, you share these videos, you could win a book because all my book signings were canceled. And yeah,
Yeah.
We got to give them away because we have so many. And we like to give.
Yeah.
Mahalo, everyone.
Mahalo. Sharing is caring. Share this video with your friends.